Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your channel not showing up in search results and in general, make your channel more searchable. So if you are new to this channel, please go down below to consider subscribing to this channel. So let's get started with this tutorial. So just a quick note here, this guide is also going to work if you are using a computer device as well. All you need to do is to go into your browser to type in youtube.com desktop site. Once you click on go, you should click on the first search results. So this will direct you to the YouTube Studio application and redirect you to the desktop version of your YouTube Studio on your browser. So this is the channel dashboard here. What you want to do next is to click on the customization pen, which is below the dollar icon on the left hand side of the screen. So here we have the layout, branding and basic info. So I'll go ahead to click on basic info. Here you have your name, the handle, description, channel URL and links. Now I'll click on the channel description to include my channel name in such a way that it doesn't sound weird. Here I said TechbyNancy teaches you how to handle common tech issues you may encounter daily. This isn't difficult at all. You can make it simple by just typing hello, I am TechbyNancy. So after that, the next thing I want to do is to type in my channel name, Standing Alone. And then all we want to do is to go and click on publish. So essentially, this will help to improve your channel SEO. And another thing that we'll be doing now is to add your channel name to your YouTube channel tags. So to do that, all you need is to come to the bottom left where you have the settings icon and click on settings. Wait for it to load and then click on channel. As you can see here, we have keywords. So what we want to do is to type in the name of your channel. So I'll type in TechbyNancy. You can also go ahead to do different variations as well. As you can see, I did one with all capital letters and one with all small letters. Whatever you feel people would type to search your channel, then just type it in the keywords. Now I'll go ahead to click on save. So another thing you want to do is to add your channel name to your video tags and video description. So if you're using a computer device, you'd click on content and then it takes you to all the videos you've uploaded. Then you tap on the particular video you want to edit to include your channel name on the video tags and video description. So I'd prefer to edit my video tags and video description using the YouTube Studio application. But I usually do this editing when my video has not been published to the public yet. But if your video has been published to the public, all you have to do is just to go to your YT Studio and then edit the video tags and video description, and this will take effect immediately. Now to go back to the YouTube Studio application on your phone, I would click on done. And this automatically takes you to the contents page on the YouTube Studio application. Now I would click on the video I want to edit. Now click on the video description. So obviously you can see that I actually included the name of my channel when the video was first published. But for the sake of this tutorial, I'll type in my channel name in a different format as shown. Now I would click on the back icon and then click on more options where I have tags. So obviously you'd see that the YouTube name is actually the first tag on this list. Now I went ahead to type my YouTube name in a different format by just spacing the 3 words. Now I would click on the back button to save the settings. Alright, so that is all about making your channel searchable. But another thing I want us to try out is to go to YouTube and type in your channel name into the search bar. So as you can see, my channel goes up and then pop up at the top. So just a quick note, it might take a few hours or some days for these changes to update. And honestly, the main thing to do is to grow your channel, because the more subscribers, the more likes and views, the higher YouTube is going to rank it because they think it's relevant to that search term. So that's basically going to help you in getting more visible in the search results. Alright guys, I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like and click on the notification bell. Thank you.